Bet yours can't do that. But anyways, like, oh my god, holy crap, that is absolutely insane. Like, I've never actually seen a robot vacuum mop that's capable of actually like shooting a jet stream of solution to like dissolve the messes and the stains. That is like honestly so sick. It actually kind of reminds me of those Swiffer mops, which kind of just like smudge the mess around. But fear not, this latest flagship vacuum mop called the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone is actually impressively good and does not suck like usual robot vacuum mops. And for transparency, yes, this video is sponsored by ECOVACS, but if you're actually looking for a robot vacuum mop, stay all the way till the end because I'm gonna take you through a day in the life from this little Deebot's perspective.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Oh shit. Okay, bruh. Clearly this morning is not off to a great start, but hey, at least I didn't get on my clothes and stain them. Hey Eco, clean the kitchen.
Okay, ECOVACS has started room clean and agent has begun.
Stuck in repeat, stop light.
Okay, damn, that is like genuinely amazing and useful, and it's like having my own little personal assistant or employee at home. And yeah, the reason why it's able to so intelligently pick out exactly what I want it to do is because of its awesome AI assistant and its excellent mapping capabilities. Which brings me first to the ECOVACS Home app, which actually was super fast at connecting to the Deebot, in which once it automatically docks inside the station, it can quickly update its firmware to the latest version. Afterwards, the first thing you're prompted to do is begin mapping, in which the Deebot immediately begins scouting your home, scanning all different areas across different terrains, which cool enough you can actually see in real time. And with the final map that's created, you have many options to control and fine-tune, such as renaming rooms for your own convenience and the order of cleaning you want. Make sure to also dig through the settings to figure out what you want to turn on and off, and that's it for the super seamless setup with even more crazy customization on the actual clean page. And I just love how the app updates you in real time, showing you the status and progress of your cleaning so that you can keep track of how your Deebot is doing.
If you don't need me, just let me know and I'll go. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know.
Alrighty, I've been working for hours and hours and the whole day just editing my life away, and I am absolutely starving, so let's go make some food. And I think I'm feeling some Japanese curry today because it is cold, dark, gloomy, and rainy, and I want some comfort food.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam bam bam, but it's not from you, 'cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely.
Alrighty, that definitely satisfied my craving for curry, although I did run out of panko, so I couldn't make tonkatsu. But anyways, let's cut to the chase. The dirtiest part of my apartment obviously has to be the kitchen, because as someone who loves to cook a lot, especially like trying out new recipes and fancier dishes, not this one obviously, like it's always like a huge mess. And you know, if you've seen those memes where like you'd like try to make a new recipe and you just have 5,000 things everywhere, yeah, that happens to me a lot. So this is where this vacuum mop shines, because man, this thing can clean a kitchen really well. So just like the beginning of the video, the standout feature is the focus jet nozzles at the front of the robot that literally shoots a pressurized spray to dissolve and soften any old or new buildup of mess, which is really easy to miss after a cooking session on the ground. I think perhaps the smartest feature though is actually the roller mops that actually continuously washes itself with clean water, so instead of smudging around all the mess and spreading and mixing the mess even further, it'll actually be able to clean it in one pass. It's just honestly really satisfying to watch it clean through an entire mess. Okay, now that our kitchen is squeaky clean, we might as well like clean the rest of the house at the same time. So next up is a completely different new terrain, my living room with a carpet. Okay, so some of you guys might be thinking, we just mopped a disgusting mess in the kitchen and I probably shouldn't get it on the carpet, but guess what? ECOVACS actually thought about that too, and when the Deebot crosses over onto the carpet, it actually lifts the mop by about 15 millimeters to ensure that it's not touching and dragging on your carpet and not cross-contaminating between the two surfaces. I do have to add that the app would actually prioritize cleaning the carpets first as an extra precaution before engaging the mops for the rest of the house as well. But yes, once it's on the carpet, it literally acts just like a vacuum, and a powerful one too, with up to 22,000 pascals of suction power, with so much airflow that it can really lift and pick up any dirty stuff that's embedded in your carpets, especially if stuff like hair, which if you have pets, I can only imagine how bad your pain is. And lucky for pet owners, there are some heavy duty detangling brushes as well, so you won't need to worry about hair and fur being caught up in the actual machine. And oh, by the way, this thing's actually a lot quieter than it looks compared to those old loud vacuums, which means you can actually use this at any time of the day without waking other people up around the house, especially if you have kids or you don't want to spook something like your pets. Alrighty, let's move on to the other remaining rooms in my apartment, like my hallway, washroom, and my bedroom. But first, watch this. Very, very cool, and that's thanks to the 4 wheels that can adaptively maneuver around uneven surfaces, which will be really useful if you guys have floor transitions and raised lips around your place. But anyways, another big concern people have with robot vacuum mops is its ability to actually clean in corners and baseboards, especially along your hallways and under cabinets like in my washroom. And what's really cool about the Deebot is that the mop rollers actually extend out the side of the body, so it can glide along baseboards and pick up all that dirt and dust that's stuck near the baseboards, not to mention in the corners with its sweeper brush that sticks out as well. I find it does so really accurately too, thanks to the 3D sensors that track the wall position, so it actually gets up close instead of just within the vicinity, which does save me a lot of time not having to go back and clean the missed spots myself. And speaking of sensors, the crazy advanced structured light sensors on a Deebot actually does a really great job at avoiding obstacles, which as a content creator, I always have packages, cables, and text sitting all over the floors, especially in my studio. The obstacle avoidance system can actually navigate through all of that mess in real time, and it's just a good peace of mind knowing that it won't randomly get stuck somewhere while it's cleaning. Also, because these sensors don't just rely on ambient lighting in your place, it can totally handle dark rooms as well, in which it even has its own little headlamp to light up its own surroundings, so you can use these in rooms with the lights closed, and especially for hard to reach spots like under furniture, and for example under my bed, which would be super hard to clean myself normally without moving the entire bed frame. And speaking of the dark at night, it is officially nighttime for the Deebot because it has successfully cleaned through the entirety of my apartment and gave it a great deep clean. You don't even need to put it back yourself too, because it can automatically navigate back to its home base and dock itself, and then proceed to do a full wash of itself with the OmniCyclone station. It's actually deep cleaning properly too, and separating all the dirty water into its own bin while cleaning with fresh clean water. And perhaps the best part is that it actually dries itself using 63-degree hot air to prevent any mold from growing, which happens easily in moist, dirty environments, and you wouldn't want that in your machine. Also, this specific model actually doesn't even have a dust bag either, which means it's super low maintenance, as that's one less thing to worry about and replace, as you simply just have to dump out the dirty water and its dustbin. I do have to note that there is another model called the Deebot X12 Pro Omni, which does have that traditional dust bag design, and it does have a little bit of a price difference as well. Alright, and one last thing I have to mention is if you live in a really big property with multiple floors, for example, the base station can actually charge really fast, like up to 13% in just 3 minutes, while it's cleaning its mops during like the break process, and you can actually calculate how much time is needed to finish off your entire space as well, so it just gets the perfect amount of charge before continuing on, and it does all of that by itself. So you don't have to manually intervene, pause, and resume the cleaning cycle, which I find to be really dope and hands-free. And that's a day in the life of our little Deebot, in which it is finally getting some sleeping time like it deserves. But yeah, like oh my god, throughout this entire video, as you can see, like whether you live in a large household with a lot of family members or friends or roommates, or if you live by yourself, like this thing actually improves your day-to-day life so much by allowing you to, like, instead of like spending a lot of time cleaning and just like trying to maintain a clean environment around the house, this thing actually does that for you to allow you to spend more time to, you know, take some rest from our busy, chaotic schedules. And like honestly, as people say, a better environment equals a better mind and better mental health and better mentality. So that is definitely a bonus. And once you actually use one of these things in your daily life, you really can't go back anymore. Like for reals, like it's just so different. And yeah, if you can't actually afford one of these things, These things are an absolute game changer, man, no joke. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys could see how impressive like technology has really become, especially for these robot vacuum mops generation by generation, and how it can just improve our everyday life. But yeah, if you guys are still all the way here, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some valuable insights as well. And if you're still here, by the way, make sure to drop a sliding glasses emoji down below so I know you're a real one. Also, a huge shout out to ECOVACS for setting this beautiful machine that will really help my daily life, and for also sponsoring this video as well. And yeah, all the product links and everything will be down below in the description and the pinned comments, and along with any promotions or coupon codes and whatnot like that. So yeah, make sure to go smash that like and subscribe button as always, and check out my other awesome content. And what do I usually say? Yeah, and on that note, have a great one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.